Hey, good morning. Paul Myers, PM Consulting. Today I want to talk to you a little bit about a value ladder that we use with certain companies. This is what we call a lifetime value ladder that is very practical and very successful when done right. Let me show you a little bit about that here. Technically, what we do is something like this, where we might start with, let's say it's an HVAC company, and they do furnace servicing, furnace replacements, furnace repairs. What we would do to get into the door would be, we would run, let's say, Facebook ads, and we would do something like we would offer a free, stay with me, a free filter. Now, why a free filter? Every furnace needs one, and most people might not have a relationship with an HVAC company. Sorry, what a great way to get into that house. So your mechanic goes in and establishes the unit, the make, the model, the serial number, what part, what filter he needs. Make sure you have them for majority of them in your vehicle, and you install it. At that point, you can also take a look at offering them one of two things: a scheduled tune-up, like maybe it's a maintenance tune-up right then and there, or you talk to them about maybe it's a $49 a month maintenance program that gives them priority service, sequencing. The money that they put towards $49 a month can go towards a repair, whatever that might look like, okay? So you start with the free filter and you work your way up to the $49 a month servicing, or it's do a servicing right then and there, maybe charge them $199, whatever that looks like. From here, we want to move to what is typically next would be a repair. Now you're in the home, you've got their email, their phone, their make, their model, their serial number. So you know all about this client because you've stayed in touch with them with email marketing or SMS marketing. They start to know you, like you, and trust you. So when that repair comes along, and let's say it's $1,000, who are they going to call? They're going to call you guys. You provided them with the free filter down here, and you've taken care of their maintenance, and now you're the next logical step for a repair. And you keep working this, and the next thing you know is you're over here and you're doing a $10,000 replacement. And now you're replacing the complete furnace. And all of this started because back here, let's just go here, back here, we gave them a free furnace filter. So I know this might sound a little crazy, but this actually works. By giving a free filter and running $5 a day in Facebook ads, but we'll give you a free filter, it brings a conversation to the table and it gets you in the door of this homeowner. And this is where kind of the rubber meets the road. So this has worked for us. We've used this for other companies and it's worked extremely well. It can work for other industries as well if you have something like this to offer. But when you look at let's say we look at a lifetime value is, this could be 10,000, 1,000's 11,000, and then you've got another $600, $700, $800. And if this continues times 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, and so on, you're probably talking about a $20,000 customer. All because you stepped back and said, you know what, how do I get more conversations going in my business? How do I get to talk to more people? Let's open that door. And again, all of this is costing you is simply $5. I would run in a market of, let's say, 50,000 people. I would run $5 a day. That's it. $5 a day in Facebook ads and watch what happens. Yeah, if you want to know more about this or how we can help deploy this in your business, hit me up. My name is Paul Myers. I'm with PM Consulting here in North Bay. And we help contractors and home service pros grow their business. So yeah, my number is 705-491-2627. Okay, thank you so much.